Thank you for watching my video. I'm AYANA. Today, I will make chicken Nanban, the fried chicken soaked in the sweet vinegar sauce and add the tartar sauce on it. It's very delicious. The birthplace of it is Miyazaki prefecture. I want to the chicken is very crispy, even though they're juicy chicken. So I want to try it. In this video, I show you how to make it and it's more healthy. So let's begin. This is our main ingredients in this video. It's chicken breast. So you can choose chicken breast or chicken thigh, but I recommend the chicken breast because our chicken breast is light taste and it has low fat. So it's combination with tartar sauce. Sorry, it's good combination of it. Okay, I introduce another ingredients. Okay, there are ingredients of our chicken Nanban. Okay, first for the fried chicken, it's butter, so rice, flour, and 1 egg, and this is seasoning, white pepper, and salt for chicken. And so today I deep fry the chicken, so I use rice flour. So you can use the vegetable oil. This is soy sauce and vinegar. And last one is sugar. Okay, these are ingredients for tartar sauce. So I use yellow pepper, cucumber, and red onion, and 2 eggs, lemon juice, mayonnaise, and I use salt and white pepper. For healthy tartar sauce, I use yellow pepper. It's additional, but optional. But I like it because I can add the sweetness for tartar sauce, so I don't use sugar instead of it. Okay, let's deep fry 2 times because the surface of chicken, on the surface of chicken there are some moisture, water, so I extract the water by deep fry on high heat. If I do so, it can the chicken can be crispy still, so I deep fry.それではいただきます。So the tartar sauce and sweet vinegar sauce is good combination. I like it, and this tartar sauce has sweetness of yellow paprika and red onions, so it's good. I put simple ingredients for tartar sauce: salt, white pepper, and mayonnaise and lemon juice, but it's good taste. And the chicken breast has low fat, and it's plain, so good combination of tartar sauce. Thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, please click the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye.